Hey, Justin and Leon here, FNK Classic Cars.
Word up, down, 2 thumbs up.
Say hi to your mom.
Say hi to your mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, any family. Important business call.
Important business call. You want to check it?
It's fake.
That's fake.
It's fake.
Spam. So we're back again.
Yeah.
And we have another
One of these.
67 Chevy.
Chevy.
It's a Chevy.
All right, now what we're gonna do is tell you about it.
Yeah.
I know you don't care, or you probably don't even want to hear it.
But here it is.
But
So you're not seeing double. We did have a gold one a couple weeks
Yeah.
ago. Now we got a white
that's
one. That's up there. So look, this one's got the guards and the little lighty things in it.
Isn't that great?
Isn't that cool?
Wow, it's simply marvelous.
Simply marvelous. And
The hood over?
this thing,
You gotta
it
go
has-
over one. Yeah, there you go.
wow,
You gotta pull it a little harder.
It has an engine under the hood.
Yes, it's a 2.8.3.
2.8.3.
It's 28.3 cubic feet of motor. What?
Badassery.
Cubic inches. Cubic
283.
centimeters.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a 283. There you go.
Power
Cubic
glider.
inches.
P-glider.
P-glider.
We should probably drag
It's got
that
a-
thing over here.
It's got yeah, bring your thing with you.
You want me to do that?
Yeah, that thing.
That thing, right. Okay, right.
All right, so what we have here is failure to communicate. Now, we got a 283.
Yep.
It's actually got a 4-barrel on it.
And an intake.
No, it's got a factory intake.
Oh, factory intake.
Well, it's a factory 4-barrel intake. It was a 2-barrel.
Yeah,
so yeah,
exactly.
somebody put an
That's
intake
what I
on it.
meant.
But it's got a adapter plate and an Elderbrock on it.
Yep.
But it's got, I think it's an Elderbrock. That's a Holly.
Holly?
It's got a Holly on it.
All right.
Maybe the other car's got Elderbrock. Who
Hard
knows?
to tell.
It's got a refrigerator.
Look at that. Air conditioning.
Yeah, keep your beer cold. It's got brakes in the front and the back. They're drum, but they've been redone. We
Yep.
actually had the wheels off
The other day.
It's got
Right.
new drums and everything on
Yeah,
it.
we put those on there for now just to test fit them, see how they look.
This is,
This is a car. It's a Bel Air.
well, you said it was white, and then it was blue, and now it's white again.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the original code is white.
The factory paint coat is white, and then
Somebody
there's
painted
some
it blue.
evidence of blueness,
Yeah.
and then it was repainted in white
Again.
again. And this thing is like, I mean, overall.
It's a nice car. Trunk
It's
floor
sharp.
solid. You want me to close this? Are
Yeah,
done
you
in
can
here?
close it. Mm-hmm.
And this one here,
Yes.
what all did he do to this?
It even has the hood liner still.
pump. Yeah. I don't know. He did some stuff to it. I don't remember what.
It's got a bunch of new suspension.
Yeah, well, see, having two at the same time, I can't remember which one's which.
Double vision.
Double trouble.
Double trouble.
It's like the Doublemint twins.
Interior.
It's got a pretty decent blue interior. The only thing that's messed up is the driver's seat. The
Yeah, the
door
rest of it's
panels,
beautiful.
all the armrests, the dash is nice, carpet's nice.
There's
It's pretty
the
cool car. Oh,
AC
give me the
vents.
keys.
You got
Or,
the keys? You got the keys.
I do? No, I think they're in the switch.
Yeah, the dome light works.
They're in the switch.
Package tray's in good shape.
Keys are in
Back
the
seat.
switch.
Oh, you can see the driver's portion
Yeah,
is.
it's got a little blowout.
But that's
Somebody
all-
ate
the rest
Taco
of it's
Bell.
Real nice.
Yeah, somebody had a beef and bean burrata.
Bel Air, basically an Impala. Trimmed
Blair.
up a little higher. Blair.
All right, so this is the back of the car, in case you're wondering.
It is.
I know.
Thank you for pointing
You know, it
that
has a
out.
bumper and a trunk lock and then a little emblem, tail lights. I forgot to explain that on the front. I know you guys love that.
Now it did rain 10 feet of rain yesterday, so let's see.
You want me to turn this?
Yeah, do it.
I'm turning
Let's
it.
see if there's anything in here.
It's a trunk floor.
That's
Who would have
right.
thunk it? Usually these cars don't have trunk floors, so
It's got a
that's pretty amazing.
Little. That's it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
nothing. No, the trunk floors are usually blowed out. Usually from here to the back seat is missing.
Yeah. This
You're
is,
looking at the top of the gas tank, but this one's actually pretty sweet. Look at this. The pinch,
jacking
not the
instruction.
pinch wells, the
What? Oh yeah, the
rubber holder, weather strip channel. The rubber holder.
right, the channel.
I couldn't think of what it was called. But the weather strip channel is even not rotten, which is unusual.
All that up in there is nice.
Oh, it's beautiful. This is the original white
Yeah. And it's
from
got,
when the first time.
in case you don't know how to jack, tells you right there.
Yeah, well, that one's, you know, been used. So, and look, this thing, come back.
I'm coming back.
It's got the jack and the lug wrench and the base for the jack,
It's all in there.
which is unusual.
Unusual.
So I'm going to throw the keys in here and lock it.
Okay, perfect. Chevrolet. What?
I don't know. I'm gonna open this door.
All right, open
I
it.
haven't opened this one yet. Oh, never mind.
It's locked. You're not gonna open it like that.
Hold on.
Got a door edge guard on it.
Yeah, let's unlock it, then we'll open it.
Good
Probably
idea.
open it easier. Look at the back seat.
Oh, that's a nice.
Yeah, it's blue.
Look at
It's a
that.
pretty decent old car.
This thing is beautiful.
Yeah, and it even runs, which is, I mean, that's fancy in itself. Especially if we buy it. It's hard to say if it'll run.
Right?
That's a nice ride. So, what I was thinking is,
Yes?
I'm going to shut the door.
Go ahead.
That way, you know,
Uh-huh.
the door's shut. But I was thinking about taking it for a ride
Yeah,
with the door shut.
that's probably the best way to drive it.
All right.
Before we do that, let's do like we did the last one. I'll crawl underneath of it and show everybody how
How beautiful
beauteous it is. Oh, get down
Full of
here.
booty.
Yeah.
It's pretty full of booty. It's also got a brand new 2.5-inch exhaust with flows. And
Oh yeah, the exhaust on this thing
it's
sounds.
got flows, doesn't it?
Yeah,
I think it's got
it
flows.
does. It sounds really good.
Yeah,
It does.
it's a nice ride. You know what?
Huh?
I may have put the trunk key.
I hope not.
Yeah, so do I. What
All
are
that in good shape.
Oh, there they are. I
You
found
find them?
Too
Found
many
them?
pockets.
Rockers.
Yeah, it's nice. The door panels are real nice.
Yeah, the whole car is real nice. Look at this thing.
So what are you trying to say? It's nice.
It's nice.
It's a nice car.
It's a nice car.
And this one, the other one came with a bunch of gas. This one came with no gas.
No.
So I'm kind of thinking we should probably put some gas in it.
Okay.
Just because it's easier than pushing.
It certainly is.
Why, certainly.
All right. Let's get
You
in
ready?
and go get some gasoline.
Gasoline in this Julietta. It's got like one needle width above E.
What's that? One needle width? Oh yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
almost
low.
on empty.
So if the float's a little off, we're probably gonna be pushing. That's good.
That's not good. But let's do this.
Ready?
I'm ready. We're doing it.
Does it make sound?
Does the radio work?
No.
No, that's all right.
That's okay.
Ooh.
There's forward. I got it on F for forward.
It moves.
Yeah,
It's
it
running.
moves pretty good actually. Man,
It
this
does.
thing does
Peppy.
move really good. I like it.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
Let's go get some gasoline.
Gasoline and emotion.
Oh.
Let's not hit this Acura.
No, that'd be a good idea.
Well, it always makes a mess when you're running into something. I mean, this thing is,
Smooth.
yeah, I like it a lot. Actually drives pretty damn good.
Don't hit that cone thing.
Keep right.
It's our
Keep
son always.
wrong.
The horn below on this one? Yeah. Does the wipers work?
I don't know. Yeah,
Apparently so.
there you go. I'll turn them off.
So things work. That's good.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
There you go. You gotta put them in the park position. It's a beautiful spring day out here.
It's a big bus. Cold busted. Old rusted. Actually, this is old and not rusted. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's good. Somewhere, folks,
So you missed part of it.
the camera cut off. I don't know what.
Are we looking outside or
Yeah,
inside?
we're looking outside. Just
All right. Look, there's trees.
yeah, it's beautiful out
I just
here.
wanted to let you know about the trees.
And we were talking. What? We were talking.
What?
Apparently, I'm not talking. We were talking about
fans.
the work that's been done to the car,
Yeah, we were.
carburetor and
Exhausties.
exhaust. And the brakes
It's
have
got
been gone
headers,
through.
new
It's got
exhaust.
headers. It runs really great.
I'm imagining this.
Seems that the engine's been rebuilt from what we can
yeah,
tell.
it's got a little too much pep for a bone stock. 283. It's got says 15.6 on the thing, so it's probably 115.
Right.
So somebody probably did a ring and bearing and maybe a little cam. It sounds like it's got a little bit of a cam to it.
Yeah, it's got a great exhaust there. And we're going to get some of this fresh
Gasoline.
for the vehicle.
Yeah, maybe.
No, I'm pretty sure. All right, this is Leon getting gas.
How much? Hey, how you doing, bud? Pretty good. How much you want to put in it?
What? I don't know. A couple few gallons.
We got 2 so far.
We probably want more than 2. All right, we got gas.
I'll afford it.
You got gas?
Yeah. Put it in the car.
It even starts.
Don't jinx it.
It's amazing.
Wow, that didn't. Maybe this gauge doesn't work. Oh, no, it's going up.
No, it's going up. So even the gas gauge works. Hi, everybody. It's us again.
Nah.
All right, so did we talk about anything important when the camera wasn't?
I don't even know what you missed. Dude.
I don't even.
I don't know when it was off.
I don't even know what we missed either.
Because we'll probably end up saying the same stuff 4 times.
All right, so then this video will be like, really like double vision then.
Double trouble.
We'll be like, you guys said that.
Double bubble.
All right, say something.
I did say something. You hear me?
Say something funny.
All right, yeah. Where am I going?
I don't know where you're going.
But
Anyway,
yeah, it's a lot of fun.
you can see it's a nice car.
It is a nice car. It drives like.
Runs and drives and does everything
It
it's
drives
supposed to.
good. It's got a lot of pep and a little bit of. It's got steering and stuff.
Got steering.
I mean, that's always good,
It's
right?
got power steering.
Powerful. Yeah.
Powerful steering.
Powerful steering.
It's got brakes. They work. I think we covered that.
Yeah, a little. It worked pretty damn good, really.
That's good. Just
Oh, stop sign. I forgot. Stop sign. Whoops.
gotta stop at the stop sign.
So here we go. Ready?
Right. Oh, taking off doing a wheelie.
Wow.
Okay, then maybe not quite that powerful.
Not wheelie, but a wheelie does run pretty
It
good.
really does.
So, anyway.
Yeah.
So we're gonna. This is gonna be made into a thing,
Might be.
probably.
Probably.
So it'll be a super
natural.
ride. It's naturally super.
So what do you think? Should we paint it black or should we leave it original white? What do you think?
I mean, I like it like this.
I do too. I think it'd be neat to have it opposite.
Yeah, somebody would have,
You know?
kind of neat.
They could
Man, this
do
thing does
a
run good.
name it Ghost.
This thing really does run good.
It does run good. Oh, the train track.
I think this one might run a touch peppier than the gold one.
Oh, the gold car is really peppy too.
It runs good, but I like the way this one runs. I like the way this one sounds, I guess.
Well, yeah, so this got
This
a dual
one's got a gooder
exhaust.
sound. A gooder.
This has got the dual exhaust
It
and the
does.
AC. The other car has the power disc brakes
And all that.
and a whole bunch of new stuff under it.
Yeah, and the radiator,
Radiator and suspension.
intake
steering.
carbonator.
Yeah. Yeah, if you haven't watched that one yet, go back a couple videos. I think it's
Yeah,
a couple.
check out the gold one.
And it's another 67 Chevy, very
Like
similar
this.
to this, but gold. And it's all original paint,
83,000 miles.
83,000. The interior is in pretty good shape. I'd say the interior in that might be it's a little nicer.
I don't know if it's any nicer. It's just the right color.
It's
Well, the seat's a little nicer.
The seats are a little nicer. and
Yeah,
the-
everything else about the same, but the front seat is nicer.
right. You can see it's all
Oh, I can see.
nice shape.
I have my sunglasses on, so I can see.
All right, here we go.
But this is going to make somebody a really nice car. I mean, in fact, it's nice. I like it.
Even the brake pedal, the pad. You know how when a car has a lot of miles on it, the brake pedal pad's got a bunch of wear through.
Yeah, it's not even bad.
It's in pretty good shape.
You want me to go down the street further, or?
No, I think we're good. I think we
We're
covered it.
good. We covered it. We uncovered it.
We'll go back and tell everybody how wonderful it is again.
Oh,
Walk
yeah,
around
that-
it and call it a
like
day.
They might have forgot.
We'll call it a video.
It's a day. It is a day. It's
It is.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look, there's the gold car.
The Goldilocks. Goldie's crotch.
Struck gold.
Yeah, struck gold. Sorry.
Yeah. Uncle Fester.
Uncle Fester.
Like
And there's
Goldilocks
stuff of a
behind.
Monte Carlo and another old
There's Frankenstein. See, we got all kinds of
old
neat
Yellers
stuff there.
back here.
There's my Hato.
We got old Yellers way back in the channel.
Yeah. All right, well, we made it back. That's always a plus.
Oh, here, listen to the exhaust. Yeah.
All right, let me get out. Hey, that sounds real good. So this one's made out of metal too. We mentioned that in the other video. The gold car made out of metal.
You're not going to believe this, people. Most of these cars here are made out of metal. Some are made out of termites holding hands, but most of them are metal.
Yeah, this one's got all metal.
Yeah, all metal. No
Yeah.
termites.
No termites in this one.
The working man, you don't have to call him.
Yeah.
So anyway, write in and tell us, write us a letter.
Write us a letter. Hey, welcome to 1999.
1946. What did they do? Oh, a comment. That's it.
Comments.
Yeah.
What are we talking about here?
But
Leave us a comment, subscribe.
Yeah, like, and subscribe.
Right. We're rambling now. We
You
probably
think?
need to get out of here.
You think?
Yeah.
I mean, pretty much the past 45, 50 seconds have been nothing. So thanks, guys. 2 thumbs up. Say goodbye to your mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law.
Leave us
his
a
mom.
comment. Leave us a comment.
I
on
said
the
say
car.
goodbye to his mom for it.
Yeah.
I don't know why
Bye,
they-
Mom.
Bye, mom. Whatever. But it's a comment.
Yeah. Comment. Should we?
Yeah.
Should we
Junk it.
junk it? No. Paint it black. Do the supernatural rims. Should we leave it white and put the white rallies back on it? What would you do if it was your car? What would you do? That's what I want to know in the comments. Put it down in the comments, and then go subscribe if you haven't.
Yeah.
Please.
They'd drive it into a brick wall, I'm sure.
That's
what I would do.
Yeah. I mean, I do like it like this.
Well,
It's a
if the
beautiful
front
car.
end was shorter, though, it would be easier to see over the hood.
It would be.
So if you run into a brick wall, to make it
Yeah.
a little shorter, compact.
All right, we got to go. This is getting dumb.
2 thumbs. Oh, I had 1, sorry. 2 thumbs.
All right, bye, Leon.
Bye, Jimmy.
See ya.
Jimmy.
Yeah, that was
That was one of our worst videos yet.
Oh yeah, dude. Man.